Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set 10 is a standout addition to any kitchen. Crafted by Tefal, a trusted brand known for quality cookware, this set is designed to elevate your cooking experience. Made from durable aluminum, these pans are built to last and distribute heat evenly for consistent cooking results. The hard anodized exterior provides excellent durability and scratch resistance, ensuring that these pans will withstand the test of time. One of the notable features of this fry pan set is its non-stick coating, which allows for easy food release and hassle-free cleaning. Whether you're frying eggs or sautéing vegetables, you can count on these pans to deliver superior performance. The gas stovetop compatibility of this set adds to its versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking needs. The sleek gray color and modern design of the pans also add a touch of style to your kitchen. With a capacity of 10 cubic inches, these pans offer ample space.
The all-clad HA1 Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan. Set 2-piece is a top-notch addition to any kitchen. Crafted by the renowned brand All-Clad, this cookware set exemplifies quality and durability. Made with HA1 hard anodized material, these fry pans ensure even heat distribution for optimal cooking results. One standout feature of this set is its dishwasher-safe design, making cleanup a breeze after a satisfying meal preparation. The HA1 color adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, while the set's 1-pound capacity makes it versatile for various cooking needs. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the all-clad HA1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set 2-piece is a reliable companion that delivers excellent performance and lasting quality. Upgrade your cooking experience with this exceptional product from All-Clad.
The Tramontina Professional Fry Pan, 12-inch, is a versatile addition to any kitchen, suitable for both home cooks and professional chefs alike. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this fry pan offers excellent heat conduction and durability, ensuring even cooking results every time. One of the standout features of the Tramontina Professional Fry Pan is its compatibility with all cookware types, including gas and electric stovetops. This versatility makes it a practical choice for a wide range of cooking needs. Additionally, the satin finish gives the pan a sleek and modern look that will complement any kitchen decor. Furthermore, the 12-inch capacity of this fry pan provides ample space for cooking large quantities of food, making it ideal for family meals or entertaining guests. The size also allows for easy handling and maneuvering during the cooking process. Another notable advantage of the Tramontina Professional Fry Pan is its dishwasher-safe design, which makes cleanup.
The Tramontina 80,114 535 deciseconds Professional Aluminum Nonstick Restaurant Fry Pan is a top-quality product that stands out in the market. Crafted by Tramontina, a reputable brand known for its commitment to excellence, this fry pan is designed to meet the needs of both professional chefs and home cooks alike. Made from durable aluminum, this fry pan offers exceptional heat distribution, ensuring your food cooks evenly every time. The non-stick coating makes cooking and cleaning a breeze, while the satin color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. One of the standout features of this fry pan is its versatility. Compatible with all cookware types, including gas and electric stovetops, this pan is a must-have for any kitchen. Additionally, its dishwasher-safe design makes maintenance quick and easy, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your culinary creations. With a generous 10-inch capacity, this fry pan is ideal for cooking a variety of dishes, from omelets to stir-fries.
When it comes to high-quality cookware, the Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set 8 is undoubtedly a top contender. Designed by Tefal, a well-respected brand in the culinary world, this fry pan set is a testament to both durability and efficiency. Crafted from premium aluminum material, these pans are built to last, ensuring long-term performance in the kitchen. The hard, anodized finish not only enhances the pan's strength, but also makes them resistant to scratches and corrosion, maintaining their pristine appearance over time. One of the standout features of this fry pan set is its versatility. Compatible with gas stovetops, These pans offer flexibility in cooking methods, allowing you to easily transition from one heat source to another without compromising on quality. In terms of design, the sleek black color of the pans adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen decor. The 5-quart capacity provides ample space for cooking a variety of dishes, making it ideal.
The Ninja C30026 Foodie Never Stick Premium 10.25-inch fry pan is a sleek and durable addition to any kitchen. Crafted by Ninja, a well-known brand for quality kitchen products, this fry pan combines innovation with functionality. Made from aluminum, this pan is not only lightweight, but also offers excellent heat distribution for even cooking. One of the standout features of this fry pan is its versatility. It is compatible with gas, electric, and induction stovetops, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking setups. The slate gray color adds a modern touch to your kitchen decor, while the generous capacity of 11.36 liters provides ample space for your cooking needs. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, searing meats, or frying up your favorite dishes, the Ninja C30026 Foodie Never Stick Premium Fry Pan delivers exceptional performance every time. The non-stick coating ensures that food slides off effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze. Additionally, the durable construction.
The Cuisinart 12-inch skillet. Non-stick hard anodized is a reliable and versatile cooking companion suitable for a wide range of kitchen tasks. Crafted with quality hard anodized material, this skillet ensures durability and even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. One of the key highlights of this product is its compatibility with various stovetops, including gas, electric, and even induction cooktops, making it a versatile choice for different kitchen setups. The 5-quart capacity offers ample space for cooking family-sized meals or one-pot dishes conveniently. The skillet's non-stick feature enhances cooking performance and allows for easy food release and quick cleanup, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter while cooking. Its glass cover adds practicality by enabling you to monitor the cooking progress without losing heat or moisture. Whether you are searing, sautéing, or braising, the Cuisinart 12-inch skillet delivers consistent.
The Blue Diamond Cookware Diamond-Infused Ceramic Nonstick 10 inches Frying Pan. Skillet is a standout product that brings both style and functionality to your kitchen. Manufactured by Blue Diamond, a trusted brand in the industry, this frying pan boasts a unique construction that sets it apart from traditional cookware. Crafted with a combination of diamond-infused ceramic and aluminum materials, this skillet offers exceptional durability and heat distribution. The diamond-infused coating not only ensures a non-stick surface for easy cooking and cleaning, but also enhances the pan's overall strength, making it resistant to scratches and wear over time. One of the key features of this frying pan is its compatibility with gas and electric stovetops, providing versatility for a wide range of cooking needs. The striking blue color adds a pop of style to your kitchen, while the generous 5-quart capacity makes it ideal for preparing family meals or entertaining guests. Overall, the Blue Diamond.
The OXO Good Grips Pro 10 inches Frying Pan. Skillet is a premium cookware offering from OXO, renowned for its high-quality kitchen products. Crafted from hard anodized non-stick aluminum with stainless steel accents, this skillet is designed to handle all your cooking needs with ease. One of the standout features of this frying pan is its exceptional non-stick surface. Whether you're sautéing vegetables or frying eggs, food slides off effortlessly, and cleaning up is a breeze. The non-stick coating also ensures that you can cook with less oil, promoting healthier cooking practices. The 10-inch capacity of this skillet makes it versatile enough for various cooking tasks, from searing meats to preparing delicate sauces. The size is perfect for everyday use while providing ample space to cook multiple ingredients at once. In terms of durability, the hard anodized aluminum construction is robust and resistant to warping. The stainless steel handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip,